Hey everybody, it's Lady Led, and I just wanted to do a really quick video for you all. The geese want to join me in this video. I'm sure the rooster will chime in a moment. But anyway, I wanted to give a quick tip. If you're thinking about getting one of these greenhouses, the stakes that come with it, I don't feel confident that they're gonna keep it safe during a storm or something like that, where we've got wind kicked up. So today I'm actually going to use some additional stakes to keep it anchored into the ground. So stick with me. These are the stakes. These are U-shaped stakes, and they are 12 inches long. So I want to make sure you can see that. And they've got spiky ends. Anyway, so I ordered these from Amazon. I'm gonna go around and put 2 of these in each of the feet of this thing, and then I'm gonna do some additional securing of some of the plastic. I'm gonna put some bricks around just to keep it from flapping around. It has recently rained, so we did at least get to kind of see how it holds up in the rain. It does. Y'all hear that dripping? It leaks inside, but that's okay. There's really no problem with it having a few drips. I'm totally okay with that. I just want to make sure I don't have any standing puddles for the mosquitoes. So we're definitely going to deal with that. All right, so as you can see, there's a hole there and there's a hole here. I am actually going to install 2 of these, one on each side. I told y'all he was gonna join us. There go a mosquito right there. Anyway, here's my tool of choice today. It's a mallet. I wanted it because it's got this sturdier side, so stuff won't be slipping while I'm trying to do this. Hammer. You can use a hammer. I know. I miss using. No. I am upgrading the use of this. Oh yes, already I can tell that's gonna be great. That's gonna be really sturdy. Let's see if we can capture this a little bit closer for you. That is not going anywhere. All right, I've got several more to do. Is that rain? Guess what? I'm about to work in the rain real fast so I can knock these out and keep it moving. The wind comes from this direction. So I want to make sure that I have this side and that side along there secured as well. And it also is going to make it easier for me to open this door. I won't have to keep, playing with the zipper. But the key is you need to know which direction the wind typically comes from in your area. Once you know that, reinforce the side that the wind is going to hit first. Double reinforce that side all over there. This is where the wind typically comes from. So that's the main reason why I wanted to get this done today. So I'm heading in the house, but I'm hoping that y'all see my chickens right there. I'm hoping that helps you if you choose to get one of these, so you can keep it in your yard and not in your neighbor's yard. All right, it's Lady Led, and I'm out.